This is an optional video if you're stuck on question 5 and need some extra help. Question 5 says, why do you think the author contrasts her neighbors walking their dog with her life as a doctor in the hospital? So when I look over at this last stanza, it says, this is the apocalypse. As spring begins again and brightly colored flowers deploy in my backyard, the neighbors walk their dogs and march along the quiet streets. So what is the tone of this? I think this is a really positive tone. It's talking about people walking their dogs, spring starting, colored flowers. And then she switches and it goes, I stretch my purple gloves on steady hands. I tie my yellow gown behind my back, my hair inside a blue buffet, and my mouth and nose and eyes are still calm inside their waiting shields. This is talking about her life right now in the hospital, right? Where she has to cover herself in protective gear. Yes, she's calm, but I think there's a tone of scariness here, right? She's very scared about what's coming. She's talked about that in the whole poem. So I would question, and I would ask myself, why do you think you would go back and forth from something being really happy, as in the blue with the spring and the flowers, and something being really scared? What do you think the author is trying to do by giving us those two contrasting ideas? Do we usually see things that are so different, or what happens when we see things that are really, really different? What do we feel when we see that?